Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Like I said, Uthando Nesthembu is Thandoring Nesthembu. Now, I make my reviews more on TikTok because it's quicker and you just record, you post, and life goes on. So here is some of the videos that I made regarding season 9 of Uthando Nesthembu. I hope you enjoy my comments. I hope you will not gonna grill me, but do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Another thing that I think we're misunderstanding is that Umpilo, the reason why that conversation was uncomfortable, and she is basically the one that was asked for a child, is because that child uzokhulela kaMakhumalo. Abantwana bakaSne, abantwana bakaMacele. Do you get? Abantwana bakaMacele, Sne. Makhumalo, Mpilo Entle. But was it a legit question or legit request? It was not. What if Usne gets pregnant to a man that is responsible and would then want to raise his children and want to build a home and a family for his children? Then what happens? So either way, there's no dubularing this situation. The only solution that can solve this situation is Umakhumalo gets her request and she does things her way, and then Umseleku just understands that part. That's just on me. Oh, I forgot. I wonder ukuthi bayothini kaMakhumalo. Are they going to apologize or are they going to do what? But if they are only going to apologize, I think the apology will be well accepted considering ukuthi uhambisa abantu abadala. But if it's not an apology but a discussion, it might not end well. It might not end well. But Mina, I loved the relationship Kamusa no Makhumalo because I thought it was one that is relaxed and each person in the relationship understands their role. But yeah, I think they're in that stage of marriage now where conflict is above every other thing. And you see with him, ngaba bazalwane ngabe bayothandaza together manje baqeda ukuthandaza bayenze inkonzo eyenzwa abantu abashadile maqeda lapho baqolelane impilo iqhubekele phambili, but ke asazi.